Ares Inception is a Mars mission simulator from the vantage point of mission control. You will choose the parameters of your mission, choose the crew from your mission, choose the landing location. Landing locations are all predetermined spots by NASA as probable crewed locations because they're high science targets. And then you choose the layout for your mission. And you can choose between different upgrades in certain departments, larger crew departments at the expense of lab space, or larger rovers at the expense of agriculture equipment. And then once the game starts, you are mission control. You get to follow your crew along all these different cameras, basically looking in on what they're doing, following along in their stats, follow what they're saying, follow the results of what it is they're doing, and then modifying it based on things that happen, injuries, depressurizations, mechanical malfunctions, and storms, to make sure that you're still hitting the targets for the mission in your quick 30-day mission before you head home. Everything you do in one mission means that the next mission you have better equipment, better crew, and better facilities to operate going forward.